We are gathered here today to celebrate the anniversary of the inscription of the Tubataha Reefs Natural Park as a World Heritage Site. Nang diwang ng ika-31 anibersaryo.
Through financial and technical support from UNICOM and IBBY Philippines, Dr. Chino Marlo Sayuno translated the book into English, and the second edition was printed. This chain of partnerships will not end there. With your support, we will bring Clowny and the love of the ocean to many more young minds and hearts.
Kwentong pambata, no, para mag-advocate ng pangalagaan ng ating karagatan. No? At ang naisip ko nga, itong si Clowny. No? So, mga 1998 yun. No? So, ibig sabihin, 2003 pa yung Finding Nemo. No? So, mas nauna ito.
Ako si Clowny, isang clownfish. Dahil ang disenyo raw ng aking kaliskis parang damit ng payaso. Tingnan mo ang aking tahanan, makulay na anemone na mahilig sumayaw. Minamahal ako ng kanyang mga galamay, kaya pinoprotektahan ko rin siya. Ayokong may lumalapit sa kanya.
The story of Tubataha is still being told. We're living that story. At pagkasama po namin kayo, we know that this is going to be a story of triumph. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.